Imagine a cosmic nightmare. A black hole, invisible and unimaginably dense, suddenly appears near our solar system, heading toward Earth. At first, it seems like a distant point in space, almost impossible for the human mind to comprehend. But as it approaches, its gravity begins to stretch, squeeze, and warp everything in its path. Earth faces a terrifying mix of science, suspense, and survival. Even before the black hole reaches Earth, its presence is felt. Oceans swell dramatically, creating massive tidal waves. Coastal cities are submerged, while inland areas experience violent earthquakes caused by extreme gravitational stress. Mountains crack, rivers overflow, and landslides sweep through valleys. It feels as if the planet itself is alive, resisting the invisible force threatening to tear it apart. The atmosphere reacts violently. Winds rivaling the strongest hurricanes lash continents, uprooting trees, tearing roofs from homes, and sending debris flying in all directions. Dust and ash from burning forests and landslides fill the air, painting the sky in eerie shades of red and orange. Humanity begins to realize that Earth as we know it is no longer safe. Panic spreads quickly. Cities descend into chaos as emergency services collapse under the weight of simultaneous disasters. Earthquakes, floods, and hurricane-force winds. Millions attempt to flee, but roads are destroyed, bridges washed away, and entire regions are cut off. Animals sense the gravitational disturbance and behave unpredictably. Birds fly erratically, fish swim in strange patterns, and terrestrial animals wander into human settlements in confusion and fear. Even the night sky begins to change. Light from distant stars bends around the black hole, creating bizarre visual distortions. Satellites are pulled from orbit or destroyed entirely. Communication networks fail, and power grids collapse. Humanity finds itself isolated, facing a disaster far beyond control. As the black hole moves closer, the effects intensify. The Earth experiences extreme tidal forces that physically stretch the planet. Continents shift, mountains rise, and some areas sink dramatically. Volcanoes erupt under immense stress, sending plumes of ash high into the atmosphere. Sunlight diminishes, plunging large parts of the world into an eerie twilight. Temperatures fluctuate wildly, triggering superstorms, lightning, and hurricane-strength winds that devastate landscapes and communities alike. Ocean currents shift unpredictably, causing colossal waves and mega-tsunamis that sweep across continents, destroying cities and reshaping shorelines. Rivers overflow, flooding inland regions and eroding fertile land. The combination of floods, winds, and earthquakes creates a global catastrophe that few humans could survive. Survival becomes a monumental challenge. Underground shelters provide temporary refuge for small groups, but most of humanity remains exposed. Crops fail, freshwater becomes scarce, and the struggle for resources dominates daily life. Social order collapses in many regions, leading to conflicts over food, water, and safe areas. The psychological toll is immense. Panic, fear, and despair ripple across the globe. Families are separated, cities abandoned, and millions are forced to adapt to a new reality where every second could be their last. The Earth itself seems to resist this cosmic intruder, and survival depends on intelligence, creativity, and cooperation. Even after the black hole begins to move away, Earth is permanently altered. Landscapes are unrecognizable, climates unstable, and species struggle to recover. Humans emerge from shelters into a scarred, dangerous, and unpredictable world. Civilization must rebuild, learning harsh lessons about the fragility of life and the immense power of the universe. Even as the black hole slowly moves away from Earth, the aftermath of its passage is devastating. The world is forever changed, coastlines reshaped, mountains cracked, and rivers redirected. Survivors cautiously emerge from shelters into a landscape that is both terrifying and alien. Dust, ash, and debris linger in the air, while the sky glows with strange colors caused by cosmic disturbances. The climate remains unstable. Regions that were once temperate face extreme cold, while others experience scorching heat. Violent storms, spawned by disrupted weather patterns, lash the planet without warning. Humanity struggles to adapt, realizing that survival now depends on resourcefulness, collaboration, and constant vigilance. Cities lie in ruins, skyscrapers collapse, bridges crumble, and roads are impassable. Yet small communities begin to reorganize, scavenging for food, water, and medical supplies. Cooperation becomes the key to survival, as isolated groups quickly learn that only by working together can they endure the challenges ahead. Wildlife behaves unpredictably. Animals displaced by floods and storms search for new habitats, some venturing into human settlements. Birds circle cautiously above devastated lands, while predators roam freely in areas once dominated by humans. Nature itself seems to be rebelling against the chaos, forcing humans to navigate a planet that feels both familiar and foreign. The psychological impact is profound. Survivors grapple with trauma, loss, and fear of future cosmic events. Yet hope begins to emerge. Communities rebuild, children play amidst ruins, and human ingenuity shines as shelters are repaired, food sources cultivated, and communication networks slowly restored. The experience fosters resilience, cooperation, and a new understanding of humanity's place in the universe. Scientific efforts resume despite challenges. Researchers study the effects of the black hole on Earth's gravity, oceans, and atmosphere, trying to predict earthquakes, tidal waves, and storms. Their findings help guide survival strategies, though uncertainty remains high. Humanity now understands the universe's immense power and the fragility of life on Earth. Over time, signs of recovery appear. Fertile soil returns in some regions, water sources stabilize, and plants begin to regrow. Humanity cautiously repopulates safe areas, learning from the disasters to improve shelters, infrastructure, and emergency preparedness. Knowledge becomes a powerful tool, enabling people to coexist with the altered environment. Despite the devastation, moments of awe emerge. Auroras ignite the sky, stars bend under gravitational lensing, and cosmic dust reflects light in spectacular ways. These phenomena remind humans of the universe's majesty, inspiring both scientists and everyday survivors to explore, learn, and rebuild. Humanity's resilience is tested continuously. Storms, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions still occur unpredictably. Resources remain scarce in many areas, forcing difficult choices and the development of innovative solutions for farming, water purification, and energy generation. Cooperation and creativity are no longer optional. They are essential. Years pass, and the planet slowly stabilizes. The black hole has moved far enough that direct gravitational effects diminish, yet Earth will never return to its former state. Civilizations begin to emerge from the chaos, shaped by the lessons learned from the cosmic catastrophe. Technology, survival skills, and cooperation define the new era. Ultimately, the encounter with a black hole teaches humanity a profound lesson. Life is fragile. The universe is immense, and each moment is precious. Those who survived understand that knowledge, courage, and collaboration are humanity's greatest tools. The Earth, though scarred, is alive and resilient. And so too is the spirit of the people who call it home. For those who wish to explore more what-if scenarios and witness the most incredible cosmic events, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to journey through the universe's most extraordinary mysteries.